This is Venus by Felisa Valencia. Now, this is Venus's location compared to the Sun and the Earth. At its nearest to Earth, Venus is about 38 million kilometers away, but most times they're further apart. The maximum distance between Venus and Earth is about 162 million miles. That is equivalent to 261 million kilometers. It's also between the Sun and the Earth, and the second planet away from the Sun. Here we're going to go over Venus's internal description. First, that big red ball in the center there, that is going to be the core, and it's made out of iron and nickel. Fun fact, I'm not sure if it's solid or liquid. Second part is going to be the mantle. This is a silicate mantle, and it's responsible for the volcanic activity. Because of the lack of the plate of the tectonics, heat actually escapes when there is volcanic activity. And of course, the last part is going to be the crust, that's the outside lining, and that is basaltic rock. Now here we're looking at actual footage of Venus's surface. Venus has valleys and high mountains, and it's dotted with thousands of volcanoes. Venus is also the planet with the fewest impact craters of any rocky planet. Now, in terms of the hottest surface, it is also definitely the hottest surface in the solar system. And the atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide. Same gas driving the greenhouse effects on Venus and on Earth, with clouds composed of sulfuric acid. And at the surface, a hot, high pressure carbon dioxide. The most interesting fact correlated with today's events. Venus is the brightest object in the night sky after our own moon. The Romans gave Venus her name because she was one of the 7 brightest objects in the sky. Therefore, it was of great importance to their culture and named it after a woman goddess, Aphrodite. This made me think of today's sad truth. There was a time when women were valued, and so were their contributions, while our current president is demanding the removal of women in leadership on the NASA website today. All this said, like Venus is a host of many female goddesses. While she is beautiful, she is also fury. We too should be able to protect the women that have contributed to the success of the organization that has assisted in the findings of this great sister planet.